Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can use a promo code on the Angry Birds 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Angry Birds game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page. Now just tap on the gear icon at the bottom left corner and you will now see the promo code option at the right side. Just tap on this button and just tap on the promo code section. You can now enter your promo code by simply typing it in, and once you type the promo code, tap on the tick mark or the OK button and your promo code will now be applied, and this will immediately give you your rewards. Now you may use as many promo codes as you wish and the rewards will be given to you right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use promo codes and get various rewards within the Angry Birds 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.